We are excited to introduce the all-new Dynamics 365 Sales mobile app, available to preview now. This intuitive new sales app is fully optimized for common sales scenarios. Alex is a sales rep who meets customers from home and on-site. When Alex opens the app, he gets an overview of his meetings and quick access to his recent items right from the home screen. When selecting a meeting, Alex gets Outlook details as well as data from Dynamics 365 about a related record, in this case, an opportunity. Thanks to the mobile-optimized Quick View form, Alex has easy access to make quick updates, and if he wants more details, he can drill into the full view. Notes and attachments are also just a tap away. Reminders and insights, powered by the Assistant, help Alex stay on top of key details. In Reminders, he is notified that this opportunity is closing soon and that there hasn't been any recent activity. This insight card has extracted a potential issue from Alex's mailbox, showing the license for this account is about to expire. He can also tap on an attendee to review their mobile-optimized Quick View forms, which contain helpful details. Alex is now ready to start his meeting fully prepared. The meeting went great, and now Alex wants to quickly record a note for follow-up. He can type or use his voice to record his summary while it's fresh in his mind. He can also attach a photo or a file, so he has all the relevant details where he needs them for future reference. Tom Smith is a new contact, so Alex adds them quickly to the account. In the meeting, the customers mentioned that they are interested in an additional product which they are sending out for approval. So, Alex updates the estimated close date and the estimated revenue for this deal. Alex can create notes and contacts from the homepage as well by selecting the plus icon. He now opens his next meeting and realizes that he doesn't have the customer info he is looking for, so he quickly connects the relevant opportunity. As soon as the opportunity is connected to the meeting, Alex can see all of the relevant information. Before hitting the road, Alex scans his recent items and remembers that he needs to send a follow-up to one of his contacts. He quickly sends an email from the Outlook app. Now, Alex wants to call his customer and tell them he is on the way, but he can't remember the contact's name. He searches for the account with the new modern search and easily finds it, even if the account name is misspelled. Alex can easily filter according to the entity type and find the contact he is looking to call. While he waits for his next meeting, he can quickly scan his active accounts. By tapping More, he can review all of the predefined lists, including active accounts. Give your sales team the tools they need to be productive wherever they are with the new Dynamics 365 Sales mobile app. Visit these links for more information.